I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials: a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, the Tapo app signed into your account, and camera powered on. In the app, tap Add Device, choose your camera model, and follow the QR code or LED pairing prompts. When asked, select your 2.4 GHz SSID and enter the password. Wait for the confirmation tone and live preview. This proves camera A is on the network before you continue. Once camera A shows live view, leave it online and prepare camera B by factory resetting it so it broadcasts pairing mode. In the Tapo app, tap Add Device again and repeat the QR or LED pairing steps, selecting the same 2.4 GHz network and password you used for camera A. Make sure to name camera B differently and assign a separate room or location. This prevents control confusion and keeps streams distinct in the app. Finish by setting motion detection sensitivity, recording schedules, and storage micro SD or Tapo Cloud. Then test both live views and adjust camera angles. Once done, make sure firmware is up to date for each camera and that each device has a unique, clear name for notifications. If pairing or connectivity fails, first confirm you're on the router's 2.4 GHz band, disable VPN, reboot the router and camera, and retry. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.